green.
Hara, green. Okay, and what color is this? This one. What color is this one? This one. Yes? What color, ma? What color is this? Hara, green. Okay. And then what color is this, children? This one. What color is this?
Neela.
Neela, blue. Okay,
Neela.
Neela, blue. And then this one,
White.
white. What do you say in
Safed
English?
white.
Yes? What is it?
Safed white, ma'am.
Yeah, safed, white. And next color.
Safed white.
That is lal, red. Next
Lal.
is peela, yellow. And
Peela.
next is hara, green.
Hara.
Neela, blue.
Neela.
Safed, white. Okay, now I want you to bring some materials related to this color and you have to tell me the colors also. Come on.
Book, ma'am.
Not in the book. Bring some materials related to that 4 colors. Lal, Peela, Hara, Neela. 4 colors you have to bring it and you have to show me the colors also. Bring materials related to the colors.
This, ma'am.
Ready? Yeah, you can say.
Peela. Peela.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you see us, ma'am?
Yeah, I can see him.
Peela.
Peela. Yeah, good. Next.
Hara.
Which is Hara? I can't see stuck. Satvik. Hara. Good. Next one.
That is a Sahara.
Hara only I saw. Next one.
Safed.
Safed. Good. Well done. Next.
Go Kala.
Next.
Kala, ma'am.
Kala. What is Kala in English?
Black.
Black. Very good. Next one.
Black activated.
Black. Good. Next. Next. After Satvik, who is ready? Yeah, Namaste Roshan. Namaste Roshan. You can show me in your book also, children. Here you have Neela, Hara, Lal, Peela. Neela, Hara, Lal, Peela. Come on, Lakshraj, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am. Lal. Lal, ma'am. Cubics lal.
Okay.
Green. Hala green.
Very good.
Neela gun.
Okay.
Kala remote.
Very good.
Peela. Peela.
Snacks box, huh? Sudha. Very good. Very good, ma. Okay, next is Maswin.
Thank you, ma'am.
Maswin.
Neela. Blue. Peela. Yellow. Lal red.
That's it, huh?
No. Hara green.
Very good, huh?
Hara green.
ఇదే కదా
La.
నో కాతో వస్తుంది కా
Ni.
బ్లాక్ కలర్ ఏంటి కా
Kala.
Kala, black. Very good. Well done, Mama Aswin. Okay, next is Grithvik.
White. Yes, ma'am. Lal, red. Pila, yellow. Kala, black. Kara, green. Neela, yellow.
Pila, yellow ba?
No, ma'am. Neela.
Blue.
Neela, yellow.
Neela, blue. Last word was Neela, blue.
Yeah, I'm telling Neela, blue.
Okay, I thought it was Pila, yellow, I think. Okay, very good. Next
I
is
tell Neela.
Roshan.
Yes, ma'am.
See the colors.
Lal, red. Kala, black. Hara, green. Satvik, white.
Huh? Satvika. Safed, white.
Safed, white.
Safed, white.
Safed, white.
Hmm.
Yellow, Pila.
Hmm.
Blue, Neela.
Very good. Well done, Maroshan. Next is Dayanand. Dayanand.
Yes, ma'am. Lal. Hara. Neela. Kala. Pila.
Pila. Very good, Dayanand. Well done. Well done. Okay, next is, shall I ask Arjun? Arjun.
Namaste, Guruji, ma'am.
Namaste, ma. Tell me the colors.
Hara, green.
Hmm.
Pila, yellow.
Hmm.
Lal, red.
Hmm. Hmm. Neela, blue.
Neela, blue.
Hmm. Hmm. Kala, black.
Hara, black.
Very good. Very good, Marjun. Next is,
Safed, white.
whom I didn't ask you children, anyone did I miss? Kumara Gurubaran. Kumaran. Kumaran.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on, tell me the colors.
Pila.
Hmm. Pila.
Yellow.
Next.
Pila.
Okay, I'll show you the colors. You will tell me. What color is this?
Red.
Hindi. Lal. What is this?
Pila.
This one. Hara. Hara. Green. Neela. Blue. This is Neela. Blue. This one. Neela. Blue. This one. Next time you have to bring some materials and you have to tell me the colors, Kumaran. Okay? Okay, children. Okay, now I'm going to show you Vyanjan. Who is ready to read? Roshan will read.
Me, ma'am.
Come on, Masvin. Read the first line.
T.
Huh?
ఇది
This one.
First one chadu. Ka.
Ka.
Hmm.
Ka.
1 minute, ma. What is this?
Ide.
Ka.
Hmm.
Ka.
Hmm.
Ga.
Hmm.
Ga.
Hmm.
Ang.
Super. Next one.
Cha.
Cha.
Da.
Cha. Cha.
Ja.
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 Hmm.
Nya.
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 Next one.
Ta.
Hmm.
Ta.
Hmm.
Da.
Hmm.
Da.
Hmm.
Na.
Na. Very good. This one. Ta.
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 Da.
Da. Da.
Na.
Na.
Na. Very good, ma. Maswin. Well done. Thank you so much. Lakshraj. Laksh.
Yes, ma'am.
First line.
Ka.
Hmm.
Ga. Ka. Ga. Ka.
Ka. Kha. Ga. Ga. Ang.
Ang.
From the
Ga.
beginning.
Ga. Ga. Ang.
Ga. Ga. Ang. Next one.
Cha. Cha. Ja. Ja. Nya.
Nya. Very good. Next one.
Ta. Ta. Ga. Ga.
Da. Da.
Na.
Na. Okay. Next one.
Ta. Ta. Da. Da.
Da.
Nya.
Da. Da.
Ta. Ta. Da. Da. Na.
Na. Okay. Very good, ma. Laksh.
Namaste, ma'am.
Roshan. Yeah. Namaste, Nivin. Roshan.
Read.
First line.
Read.
Ka.
Chepam.
Ka.
Hmm.
Ga.
Hmm.
Ga.
Hmm.
Ang.
Hmm.
Cha. Cha.
Hmm. Hmm.
Ja. Ja.
Na. Ja. Ja.
Ja. Ja. Nya.
Yeah. Very good.
Ta.
Hmm.
Ta. Da. Da. Ana.
Na. Next one.
Ta. Ta. Da. Da. Na.
Na. Very good. Now I want you to take your reader, children. Textbook. I want you to take your textbook.
Kumar Goplan is not.
Take your textbook, children.
Ma'am,
Yes, ma. Satvik.
you missed it. You're calling me. You missed
Sorry.
it. You missed it.
You
You missed it, ma'am. You missed fully.
you missed calling him. That's what you wanted to tell.
Satvik. Sorry, Satvik. One more time we'll conduct it, okay? We'll finish off this rhyme, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Now take page number 66, children, all of you. Yes, Tuka? Chidiya rhyme. Chidiya. What is chidiya? Chidiya is a bird. Small bird, okay? Chidiya. Rayan, namaste, Rayan. Rayan, I said namaste.
Namaste, ma'am.
Take your book. Take this chidiya rhyme. All of you have seen birds, children, chidiya, small birds. Okay, how they will sing? Have you heard it? Anyone? Have you heard the birds sing?
Yes,
How they
ma'am.
sing? How they sing?
Chichi choo choo.
Choo, 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 choo. Like that they'll sing as in the rhyme. As in the rhyme like that. Okay, today we are going to learn chidiya rhyme.
Cow, ma'am.
Okay, see all of you should keep your hands like this. Take your both the hands, cross it, hold both of your thumbs together and flap the wings. Okay, so this way, not like that, Ryan. Keep your hands like this. Keep your hands like this. Everyone look at me. And then put an X. X. Cross it. Cross your hands. Both the thumb finger you have, hold it. Hold both the thumb finger. And then now flap the wings. Yes, very good, Malak, Roshan, good. What, Ryan? Hold with your thumb finger. Yeah, very good. Okay, now we are going to sing the rhyme. Chi chi chur chur karti chidiya. Repeat after ma'am, children. Chi chi chur chur karti chidiya. Who is going to sing after me? Lakshraj. Unmute yourself and sing now. Chi chi chur chur karti chidiya.
Chichi choo choo kaliti chidiya.
Fur udti chidiya.
Full ulti chidiya.
खुदक कर गाना गाती
फुदक कर गाना गाती.
रोज सवेरे मुझे जगाती.
सवेरे मुझे जगाती.
One more time. This time Ryan is going to sing along with ma'am. Okay, Ryan, ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Ready? ची ची चुर चुर करती चिड़िया.
चीची चूर बोल करती चिड़िया.
फुर उड़ती चिड़िया.
फुर
उड़ती चिड़िया. Okay.
उड़ती
गाना गाती. फुदक कर गाना गाती.
गाना गाती.
रोज सवेरे मुझे जगाती.
रोज मैंने मुझे कराती.
Very good. Well done. Okay, next is who is going to sing? It's going to be Arjun. Arjun,
Yes, ma'am.
come on, sing along with ma'am. Keep your hands like this. ची ची चुर चुर करती चिड़िया. फुर उड़ती चिड़िया. फुदक कर गाना गाती. रोज सवेरे मुझे जगाती. रोज सवेरे मुझे जगाती means what? In the morning itself, these birds will sing, no? Ki, like that they'll sing, no? At that time, when we are sleeping also, we all will wake up. Okay, so that only they are saying as रोज सवेरे मुझे जगाती. When I'm sleeping, it will wake me up. Okay, what is chidiya, children? Chidiya is a small bird. Okay, chidiya is a small bird. Okay, chin chin chur chur udti chidiya. Fur udti chidiya. फुदक कर गाना गाती. रोज सवेरे मुझे जगाती. Okay, one more time. चीन चीन चुर चुर करती चिड़िया. फुर उड़ती चिड़िया. फुदक कर गाना गाती. रोज सवेरे मुझे जगाती. Okay, next class, I want all of you to sing this rhyme. Okay, children, and shall we move on to our writing? Take all of you take this notebook. Candy book. This curve we have to write. This page. Before that, we are going to tick the pictures. Okay. Say thermos. Where is thermos in this book? Where is thermos? Who is going to show me where is thermos? Rayana? Rayana, this is thermos? Yeah, very good. Page number is 55. Page number is 55. We have this. Say thermos. Next is say thermometer. See where is thermometer? Where is thermometer? If you have fever, we'll check, no?
Thermometer, ma'am.
Yeah, very good. Say thermometer. Now we are going to write and I am going to show you how we have to write. Okay? See, first you are going to put a small circle like this and then like this. Sorry. Th. You all will write ka, no, like this. Like this ka you will write, no? Like this only you will write. Yes or no? But for the, you are not going to put this curve, will not come. Instead of putting the curve there, you are going to curve it here. Like ka itself, you have to start. Ka, will you write like 2, you will start, no? The same way like this. But here, before starting, you have to put a small curve here. The. Right, Marjan, what happened? This page, you have to write this page. The other page will be your homework. Page number 55 only you have to write. This page alone we will write now. This will be your homework. Good, ma. Sorry, children, I forgot to tell you. Thali also you have to take it. Plate. Have thali plate. This also you have to take. I forgot to tell you.
Okay, ma'am.
Very good. Spell and write, children. Th.
Ma'am, Nimin is not writing, ma'am. He's telling, ma'am.
Why, Nevin? Come on, write, Nevin. You are a good boy, no? Come on, take a pencil and write. Th. Let us see one by one in the screen. I'm going to show you the screen, what you are doing. Let me see.
Ma'am, can you please once show me, ma'am? My husband is not getting to write, ma'am. How to write?
1 minute. First, you have to start with the curve like this. And you have to go here, come down, go up like this. Here you will have a curve, that's it. You will write curve, no curve. This curve you will write, no? Yes. Like that. But here you will not have this curve. Instead of that, the curve will come here. This curve you will not have. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, Master Shravan.
Yes, ma'am.
What happened? Writing
I'm
up.
right.
Okay, right. Easier or you are feeling difficult to write?
It's easy.
Okay, good. Arjun, first a small curve, then you have to come down like this, then again go up and come down. Without taking your hand, you should write. Everything thumbs up, ah? Good. Satvik, what are you doing?
No, he's not writing correctly.
See here, that's what. Ka you will write, no? Ka you will write. Yes or no? How did you write that? First practice it in a notebook and then you start writing, ma. Practice it in your notebook. Ka will write, no? This ka you will write. Yes or no?
Yes.
This ka you will write. Yes
Yeah.
or no? You not write this? Here, this curve, it will not come here. Instead of that, the curve will come here. That's all. The way you have to start is the same. From here, come down, go up, come down. That's it. Finally, you will put a curve here. Don't put there. Instead of that, you put it here.
Okay.
Or else start from a curve itself. From here itself, with the curve, you can start. Go here, come down, again go up and come down. Understood?
Understood.
Now, come on, try it.
Ma'am, I finished, ma'am.
Very good, ma. Next page also you can write. Write properly, correctly only you have written, huh? Good. Next page also try to write, ma. Ryan.
This
Yeah, you
next
can write that. Yeah, right.
Yes, ma'am.
What are you writing? Show me. Yeah.
Is it correct, ma'am?
Yeah, correct. If you have doubt also, here you have a green color letter written, no? In this also you can try writing over that and you can see how to write. From the curve you have to start. From here you have to start, go here, go up and come down. Like that also you can try writing. If it is very difficult for you. You can trace it in this letter also and then you can write out. Those who are finished, I want you to take your Hindi notebook. Right, Ma, Ryan? I'm watching you, Ryan. Come on, write. Yeah, good, Lakshraj. Take your Hindi notebook, write today's date, children, those who are finished. Those who are finished writing in your book, you are going to take your classwork notebook, Hindi notebook, and you are going to write today's date and write these 3 lines. Ka, kha, ga, ga, ang. Next is cha, cha, ja, ja, nya. Ta, tha, da, da, na. These 3 lines you are going to write. Ryan, which is ja here? Which is ja? Which color box?
Third letter, ma'am.
Huh? Third, this one.
Third letter.
Huh?
Third letter.
This one, Which one? This one.
Yes, ma'am.
Ja. This is Java. I asked you Ja. Where is Ja?
Ja.
This one. This one. Very good. Where is Ga? Ga. Ga say
Ga.
Ga. Where? Above or below?
Abo. Abo.
Above this one, This one. This one. Very good, Ryan. Okay. Arjun. Arjun, where is stir?
Ma'am.
Where is stir? Stir say tomato.
Pink.
Pink. This one,
Violet.
This one, This one,
This one.
This
No.
one. Yes or no? Yes. Stir say tomato. Very good. Then where is ja say jarna? Ja say jarna. Which color?
Violet.
This one,
Yes.
This one.
Now this is that.
This one.
Now
This one.
yes.
Very good, Arjun. Good. Sapri.
Yes, ma'am.
Where is na say Ravan?
That, ma'am. Green.
This one,
Green box.
This one.
This. Yes.
Yes, very good. Where is cha say chammach? Cha say chammach.
There, ma'am.
Which line? First line, second line, third line. Which line?
First,
Huh? Cha Satvik, cha.
Cha say chammach.
No line.
First line, second line, third line.
Yo, 1, 2, 3 Satvik, ఇది ఏ
I'll
line?
write it. I'll write and show you. Okay, see, this is number 1. This is the second line, number 2.
Which
This
line?
is the third line, number 3.
Check.
And now tell me in which line you have that. Cha
second,
say chammach.
second line.
Second line, Okay, this one.
Which one? First one, second one, third one, which one?
Okay, I'll show you. You tell me this
Second
one.
one. This one? Hey, cha se chammach Satvik. This one or this
Cha
one?
say chammach.
First one or second one?
This one or this one?
Ah.
First one.
This one.
Yes.
Very good. Well done. Now copy it in your notebook, children. Ka, kha, ga, ga, ang. Cha, cha, ja, ja, nya. Ta, tha, da, da, na. Write today's date and copy it in your notebook. These 3 lines alone.
I'm finished, ma'am.
Very good, Masai. Good. Only Sai Charan will-
Finished, ma'am.
Finished? Ryan finished?
Yes, ma'am.
Ryan or who finished?
Finished, ma'am.
Dayananda. Okay. Good, ma Dayananda.
I finished it, ma'am.
Very good, Ritvik. Ritvik, Sai Charan, Dayanand. Shravan finished?
I am finished, ma'am.
Finished, very good, ma. Still who is writing? Hey, you wrote in slate, Shravan.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, Shravan. Very beautiful handwriting. Good. Thank you, Shravan.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Who is still writing?
I finished.
Arjun finished.
I finished.
Arjun?
I think, ma'am.
Show Show me how you have written. Ka, ka, ga only you are writing. Ah, okay, good. Right. Slowly write.
I finished.
Satvik, finish. Where is the date, Satvik? Very good, Satvik. Wrote without seeing, or you saw the screen and wrote?
Without seeing why. చూసాక చూడకుండా.
I didn't see height, mom.
Oh, on your own itself you wrote, ah?
Yes.
Very good, ma. Very good, Satvik. Good. What Ryan is doing? Ryan.
Yes, ma'am.
What are you doing, Ryan?
Writing, ma'am.
Doesn't seems like you're writing. Play.
Now only is writing first line, ma'am.
Okay, take your own time and write. Those are finished. Very good. Those who didn't finish, you can look at your book. It is here in the last page, children. Okay, here it is here in the last page. You can look at it and you can write 1, 2, 3. These 3 lines. Candy book. Not that book, Ryan. Candy book. Yeah, last page you have these 3. Look at it, finish it and send it to me in group. Okay, children. Thanks for your cooperation. Bye, children. Shukriya.
Shukriya, ma'am. Look, ma'am.
Very good, mother.
Hello, ma'am. Bye. Shukriya, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Shukriya, ma'am. Shukriya, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Bye. Shukriya.
Yeah, bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.
No, Shukriya, ma'am. Shukriya, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Yeah, Shukriya, Margaret.
Bye, ma'am.
Shravan still writing, Shravan. What you are writing? Let me see.
So,
Right.